Lacan. This drug is prepared from dog's milk. Mind very forgetful and absent-minded. Lacan patients purchase things in the shop and walks without them out of shop. They make mistakes in writing, uses too many words to write, but they do not use the correct word. While writing, either they omit the last letter of the word or some letters of the word. Cannot concentrate in reading and in studies. This is a very good drug for students who are preparing for their examinations. Very nervous. He is despondent, hopeless. She thinks that her disease is incurable. They go into depression and they think that there is no friend in their life. They do not feel worth for living. Lacan patient could weep at any moment. This is a very good drug for depression and anxiety. They are cross and irritable. Child cries and screams all the time, especially at night. Lacan has got fear of being alone, fear of dying like arsenicum album. Lacan has got a fear of becoming insane, of falling downstairs like borax. There are attacks of rage observed in Lacan, cursing and swearing at slightest provocation, intense ugliness and hateful. Generalities for nervous, restless, highly sensitive persons. Symptoms of Lacan, they are erratic. Pains of Lacan, they are flying from one part to other part, like calibi. Pains, they are changing from side to side every hour or every day. Lacan is very hungry, cannot eat enough to satisfy. As hungry after eating as before, like lycopodium and strontium. Lacan is a great remedy for hyperthyroidism. When walking, seems to be walking on air. When lying, does not seem to touch the bed. This is because of peripheral neuritis. Respiratory system, coryza with discharge of thick white mucus. One nostril is stuffed up while the other nostril is open in Lacan and discharging. These conditions alternate with the nostril. Discharge from the nose is acrid. Tip of nose and the upper lip, they become red and raw like Allium cepa. Diphtheria and tonsillitis, the symptoms, they change from side to side repeatedly. Sore throat and cough are apt to begin and end with menstruation. Yellow or white patches in the pharynx, follicular pharyngitis, and the pain shoots up to the ear. Throat, sensitive to touch externally like lachasis, aggravated by empty swallowing like ignatia. There is constant inclination to swallow like this, which is painful and almost impossible. Pains, they extend to ear like calibi and hypersulf, or pain starts in left ear like lachasis. Shining glazed appearance of diphtheritic deposits with ulcers. Sensation as if breath would leave her if she lies down. So she has to get up and walk. Stomach and abdomen. Sinking in epigastrium. Faintness in stomach. Sexual system. Sexual organs are easily excited from touch, pressure or friction or by walking like coffea, murex or platina. The female reproductive system, menses, too early and too profuse. Menorrhagea flows in gushes of bright red blood which is viscid and stingy. Mastitis, breasts are swollen and painful. Breasts are very sensitive before and during menses. Discharge of flatus from vagina. Breasts are inflamed, painful. Aggravation by least touch and towards evening. She has to hold them while going downstairs or going upstairs. Laccan is being prepared from dog's milk. It contains or it has a ability to produce prolactin, which is a hormone which is useful in production of milk. So laccan can be used either to dry up the milk when it is required or when there is less milk in a breastfeeding lady without any known cause, we can administer laccan which will improve the quantity of milk. Heart and circulation. Palpitation when lying on left side, it is better by lying on right side. Backache, intense, unbearable across the suprasacral region which extends from right hip to the right leg. This is a very good drug for right-sided sciatica. Spine in laccan, it aches right from base of the brain to the coccyx. Spine is very sensitive to touch like zincomet, theridion. Spine is sensitive to pressure also. That's all about laccan. Please keep watching Homeopathy in 2 minutes for students.